So, for this page, we will write one sentence about where our taniwha lives, the habitat of our taniwha. I don't know where your taniwha lives, but you can use your plan to help you remember. From my plan, I remember that my taniwha lives in the ocean near some sharp rocks. So I'm going to draw the ocean. So I'm going to draw some ocean things here. And it's the deep dark ocean. I'm not sure if I can change color here with a pen. Let's see, near some sharp rocks, because my taniwha likes to crawl out onto the rocks. That's what this type of taniwha likes to do. So there we go. Here's the rocks. There's the deep dark ocean. There's some other shades of blue to create the effect of the ocean. See, I'm not spending too much time with this drawing, but I'm not going to make it a scribbly mess either if I was you. And I want you to focus on being proud of your illustrations. So, there is the habitat of my taniwha. Now I need to put it into a sentence. Remember, we are learning how to use they or taniwha to start our sentence. I'm going to start this one with they. They live in the ocean. They live in the ocean. 5 words. They live in the ocean. Because my goal is to use a capital letter, that's what I'm going to start with. They. Oops. They, finger space, live, finger space, in, finger space, the. Now, for the 1-star challenge, you can write ocean or sea. For the 2-star challenge, I'd like you to add some more detail. They live in the deep sea or the deep ocean. So I'm going to add that word in there, deep, deep ocean. I'm going to also add some more detail for the 2-star challenge. I'm going to use that lovely word and. And they like to crawl out onto the rock. So I'm describing what they like to do. So they live in the deep ocean and they like to crawl out onto sharp rocks. So I could add even more detail for the 3-star challenge and explain why. So they live in the deep ocean and they like to crawl out onto sharp rocks to catch the sun or to look for enemies or protect their eggs. So it is up to you the detail you want to put in this sentence. So I'm going to check my writing now for my rule kit. The 4 things that I have to do. Have I used a capital letter here? Yes, I have. Give it a tick. Have I used finger spaces? Yes. Did I use a full stop this time? Yes, I did. Woohoo! And did I read the whole thing? Uh-oh, not yet. Let's read it together. They live in the deep ocean and they like to crawl out onto sharp rocks. Uh-oh, I have made a mistake. I said they like to crawl out onto sharp rocks. Sharp? I meant to write sharp. Sharp rocks. So I have edited my writing with a different color if you've noticed. So I have met my objective. Can you see that? My lovely objective to use capital letters and a full stop. That's what we're aiming to do today. I hope you accept the challenge and write a lovely sentence about where your taniwha lives, the habitat of your taniwha.